Hi, welcome back to Motorsport Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and this is our new M135i. Got to watch the vlog to see the actual colour of it. So you're probably wondering why we bought another M135i. Purely basis, it's our #1 car we see through the door. Over the past 6 months, I think we've seen close to 50, and I think it was 47 the exact count. The car's just so good for us. If we go anywhere to meets and events, we use it as a little van to put the seats down, there's plenty of room into it. It's a good daily, which keeps miles off the M4 and such things like that. And it's probably still the car that we didn't actually finish. On the previous vlog, we did say the reason why we're selling our M135i is because obviously the term had run out of 3 years. We hadn't finished, we hadn't put our springs onto it, had done the steering wheel, some other little bits and bobs. So we thought we'd better buy another one. I'm actually currently, hopefully, hiding the colour of this one in a minute, which we'll go into in a minute. So when we knew that that car was going, we had to think of a replacement, and we weren't quite ready for the new one that's coming out. There is a new car coming out in 2023, which has got 4 exhausts, I believe. It'll have the different grille, the different dash. So this is fundamentally identical to what we had before, just the 2022 updates, which we believe is slightly different on the camber, enhanced noise sound, so a few little bits, but fundamentally identical car. So all the old parts that came off the other one, plus the new springs and some other parts, will be fitted to this one in another vlog. We reached out to Tony when that car was going back just to say, we are after another one. Have you got anything a bit spicy, a bit special, a bit different coming in? And Tony, being the man, had managed to get one of these. This is an actual individual colour, so hopefully in a minute as I'm talking, the colour will change. And as you can see, it is Isle of Man green, which is a BMW M colour. Couldn't see it on a configurator, couldn't find it on Google, couldn't manage to find what this car would look like anywhere online. Now obviously you can order them. I don't know how. For more information, speak to Tony, his information's down below. So we're really excited. We're about to get it in the detailing bay. I believe, Steve's already had a quick look around the car, it is really good to start with. So we are starting from a car at 90%, which got to get to that 100%. Then what we'll do is all the parts that are used, we're going to get them to 100% as well. So we'll clean up the wheels, the body kit, the exhaust. So when all the car goes obviously all back together, all the parts back onto it, it will look better than new. So excited to see how this one looks like with the modifications. So I guess let's get it in the bay and then on the ramp.
So the BMW is now complete. We have machine polished it top to bottom, and it didn't really need much work because it is a brand new car after all. So we've coated the car with CSL and topped it with EXO, so it's to give it that 5 years of protection that it does need. So I'm going to hand the car over to Mike, and he's going to talk a bit more about the modifications that this car is going to get.
So car's complete. It's now fully coated G-Technique, which should give it protection of around sort of 5 years. We'll obviously check back on it in 6 months' time, see how the protection is doing. Next vlog, we'll be getting obviously the parts fitted to it. And as you can see, no badges, going for a bit of a cleaner look, this one here. I like the 50th anniversary badge, and of course, MO22, which was on our 240i, is fitted to this car. Let us know so far what you think of the Isle of Man green M135i.